Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we have a product that we're going to take a look at in this video. Now this is a portable outdoor projector. If you've ever wanted to have movie night in the backyard or bring the family and friends over for a major sporting event, but your television was a little too small or the environment that you were working in just would not accommodate that amount of people, this could be a product that you definitely want to take a look at. All right guys, we're going to take this back to my desk here. Open the box, take a look at all of the things that come with it, and figure out if this is going to be the movie night projector for you. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Let's go. All right, guys, let's do a quick unboxing of this product and see exactly what we get. Nice little easy tab, as you guys can see here. Just pop this guy open. So you guys can see how well this is packaged. You have some additional accessories that come with it. All right, so let's take a closer look at everything that you're going to get in the box. So starting with our accessories here is our starter manual. I'm pretty sure this is going to be in multiple languages. It's going to walk you through all of the setup, cleaning cloth, and also some little Q-tips here. We have the remote control for the unit. All right, so there's our remote control. It's very lightweight. It does require batteries. As you guys see here, you're going to need two AAA batteries for this. You also receive your power cable. This is a standard 2-prong cable, and you get some connection cables. This is a full-size HDMI cable, as you guys can see here. All right, guys, so here is the unit itself. First things first, let's take a look underneath here. There is a 1/4 underneath, so we're going to put a little tripod on here just so I can elevate it to show this to you guys a little bit better. Now, obviously, it does have these little rubberized feet underneath here, but for now, we're just going to set this up like so that you guys can get a better look at it. All right, as you guys can see, this comes with a lens protector or lens cap. If we look around the sides here, we have some built-in venting for this unit. On the back, as you guys can see, we have our input for our power supply. We have our IR lens right here, USB-A. We also have a headphone jack for whatever reason. You have a full-size HDMI, and you have a power button right here. Now, this does have built-in apps for things like Netflix and YouTube, which really comes in handy. So let's go ahead and power this guy up and see exactly what it can do. And here is our power cable. Just going to plug that in as well. Give you guys a little indicator. The length of this cable is not super long, so you may need some type of extension cable depending on where you're going to be mounting this. All right, guys, let's do a quick install of our batteries. The indicators are inside of the remote, so it tells you which direction these batteries need to go in, like so. Just pop those in, and we're pretty much good to go. All right. So let's make sure this is powered up. We're going to try and use the projector feature on this black wall that we have back here. So I'm going to turn off this additional light. All right, guys, you should see the indicator light flashing right here. So we're going to go ahead and power this on. All right, as you guys can see, I have this extremely close to this backdrop. So that's way too close for us to be able to get an accurate indication of the language and all that other information that we're going to be able to control with the remote. So I'm going to move it further back. So you're just going to be looking at the screen here. All right, guys. So what you're looking at right now is the ability for it to autofocus and also auto align itself. So right now I am about, 5 feet away from this backdrop. So we're going to go ahead and set this up. So let's just click on English as our language. So you have the option here to do 4-side correction, 4-point correction, or you can just skip this. All right, so as you guys can see, we have a number of different apps already here. We can go to YouTube. We have YouTube for Kids. We have Amazon Prime here. We have a few other platforms I'm not familiar with, but of course we do have Netflix. So if you're looking for a projector, guys, I think it's going to be an ideal projector for a lot of people. And I'm going to pull the camera back just so you guys can see how I have this currently set up. So you guys can see I just have this on this little projector stand. And I am controlling the projector with the remote. Now the IR is back here in the back of the unit, so you do have to be behind it in order to control utilizing the remote. Now on the remote, you also have your Netflix button, your YouTube button, you have your Prime TV button, so you can just press a button. All right, guys, as you guys can see, we have quite a few platforms to choose from. We can go through all of these different platforms at any time. We can jump over to YouTube, no problem there. So for my videographers and photographers and content creators out there, I want to show you guys this cool thing that I just did here. So I connected the projector to one of my webcams, and as you guys can see now, we have live video that I can project onto a wall, a movie surface or whatever it is. So this is going to be ideal if you're doing conferences and you need to put the speaker on a large screen. If you don't already have a system set up for that, that's going to be a very easy system for you guys to implement. So again, full-size HDMI, video source, this little webcam. And as you guys can see, that is very, 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 very responsive. So check that out.